The addition principle. Well, in the addition principle, what we're doing is adding members of one set with members of another set and putting one group that has both of the members of those two sets. So here, the number, notice the N is for how many? The number of members in A is 3. The number of members of B is 4. So if you were to put these two sets all in one group, how many members would you have? Well, what you're doing is forming the union of A with B. Union means put them all together and then count. That's the N. How many? The number of members in this union would be the number of members A has plus the number of members B has, which is 3 plus 4 is 7. And in this problem, you could visually confirm that that's correct. We do have 7 members if we were to put the members of A and B all together. But what if the two circles were overlapping? How would you count? Well, notice A has 3 members, B has 5 members, 3 members for A, 5 members for B. Forming the union would mean get the members of A and add to the members of B. Add those two sets, the number of members in these two sets. But if you were to add just these two, you get an 8, and we know there are not 8. What happened here? Well, that's why we have this minus. This minus says remove what's in the overlap. This is intersection. What's in the intersection of A and B? How many are here? 1. Remove that one because that one was counted 1 too many times. There was an overcount. So this takes care of overcounts. If there were no overcounts, if these two were separated like the first question, then this would be 0. There are no overcounts. But here we have overcounts. So we have to subtract 1. And notice after you say 3 plus 5 minus 1, you get 7, which is in fact the correct answer for the union, the number of members in the union of A with B. There are in fact 7 members, 3 plus 4. This formula is the one we need to remember. This is called the addition principle. And for these type of problems, this is the formula you want to write first. Over here, we have an intersection. So these are overlapping. There's an intersection. But there's also members that are in neither A nor B. This box represents the universe. Every problem has its universe. And the universe has different groups. Right here, we're just considering group A and B. The universe includes all the members in that given problem. So we have this one, this one, this one. All of these are in this universe. Every problem has its universe. The highlight is that this one is an element that's neither in A nor B. It's outside. So this is neither in A nor B. Now we're ready for this problem. In a fraternity with 38 members, 18 take mathematics, 5 take both mathematics and chemistry, and 8 take neither mathematics nor chemistry. How many take chemistry but not mathematics? Well, after you get to the question mark, you wonder, what did we read? It's all tangled up, pretty congested. So we're going to sort it out by drawing a diagram. We're going to use a Venn diagram. So here's our Venn diagram that has rectangles and circles. Now let's sort it out. They told us that there are 38 members in this fraternity. That means the size of this universe for this problem is 38. They also told us that there were 18 taking mathematics and that 5 take both mathematics and chemistry. So these are in the overlap of these two groups, math and chemistry, are 5. There's 5 that are taking both math and chemistry. There's 5. So the both tells you that there's an overlap. So this 5 belongs here in the overlap, the intersection. And we also know they told us that there were 18 that took mathematics. So, so these together should form 18. 13 plus 5 is 18. What they're asking for is how many take chemistry but not mathematics. They're asking for how many should go here. They told us that there were 8 that were neither taking A nor B, math nor chemistry, so they are outside the circles. What they want is how many are taking chemistry but not mathematics. Well, we know that the sum of these numbers in the universe should be 38. So we know that 13 plus 5 plus something plus 8 equals 38. So this one here, the ones that are taking chemistry but not mathematics, should be 12.